Alright, you guys, so we're trying out this Headlight Restoration Kit for the first time. First thing you do is you get the sander, or the sandpaper, and you sand off the headlights. So that's what we're going to do. Let's see how this turns out.
Corners.
The third sandpaper.
Looks, but can't look worse, right?
Okay, so that was the last step. You can tell the difference. It's a lot more yellow, a lot hazier. So we'll just hitting it with one more compound to see if we can get a little bit clearer. I mean, it looks pretty much clear except for like whatever this middle hazing is that is from the headlight, I think, on the inside here. What do you think, Will? Pretty easy to use.
Yeah.
3M Headlight Restoration Kit. Takes like 20 minutes each light. So just repeat the process on the right side, you know? Mask it off first. Then do 3 stages of sanding, 1 stage compound, and then clear coat.
This one came out way better than the other one.
The after. There's one last stage, and that's the applying the clear coat. Headlight clear coat that comes with the kit. Yeah. So that's actually the final stage. There you go. Headlight vinyl, dude.
Yeah. Dope.
That's why I did the headlight restoration. I stick this vinyl on there.
Wow, this thing is massive. Wait, what the? Oh, I thought I only got one. What the hell? Damn, is my headlight really that big?
Yeah, dude.
Driver's side left. So this one?
Yeah. How much was this?
$70.
$70 for this?
Apparently, Porsche stickers are expensive.
Yes, dude, it's like eyeliner, bro.
Got some mascara on.
This is the better way to do it. I guess it's just how it is, dude.
Fucking care. Is that in? What was it? 30 horsepower?
Yeah.
Looks like.
I guess it does looks better.
Just because the lip is not glossed. Looks kind of weird, huh?